Oh. Ooh, I hate that feeling. Today is just an informative video of something I want to share with you guys, that a product that I use in regards to my travel. But not only can you use it for travel, you can use it for other things as well. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Vaugh Show. The product I want to share with you guys today is called Pixel by LabCorp, right? And it is a at-home COVID PCR test that you all can take from the comfort of your home. I normally use this particular product for when I'm going out of the country. Normally, a lot of times, the country requires you to take a PCR test before you enter the country, whether it's 96 hours or 72 hours. So currently, I'm getting ready for a secret trip that I'm not going to share. But hopefully, the content will be out soon, which will be exciting. But I like to film my content first before I kind of like share like what's going on next. But anyway, I'm preparing for a trip that I'm going on shortly. However, I have to take a PCR test to go. And I have to take the PCR test within 72 hours of going on my trip. So because my work schedule is so crazy, busy, and hectic, it's hard to just make an appointment to a doctor's office, you know, in order to take a PCR test. And a lot of times the doctor office will tell you like the test will take 3 to 5 days to come back. Well, unfortunately, I really don't have 3 to 5 days, right? My trip is literally on Thursday and I need the test back before then. It would basically within 72 hours. So Pixel LabCorp is the way to go. It is an at-home test that you can take from the comfort of your home. And then they will provide you the return label overnight through FedEx. So basically, what you do is, I'm going to provide the website and the link online. You'll go online, you will fill out the description. It'll talk about, you know, do you have COVID? Well, first of all, it's going to say, like, what's the point of you needing the COVID test? So whether it's for travel, whether it's for if you're having symptoms of COVID symptoms, it's going to give you a series of things. A series of questions that they're going to have you ask, and then they're going to tell you whether or not, you know, if you are a right fit for the at-home test or not. A lot of times they'll tell you, like, if you're like severe, they're going to tell you like, go straight to the hospital, like this test is just not for you right now. You just need to go straight to the hospital. For the most part, for the mild and the other options, basically they'll end up sending you the kit. The good thing about this kit is that you don't have to have insurance. You do not have to have insurance to get this kit. So keep that in mind. If you don't have insurance, which you should have insurance, because if you don't have insurance, you're a walking dead man. But if you have insurance, if you don't have insurance, you still can apply for the cell phone kit or whatever. So you'll go through the application, fill out all the information. If you have insurance, you'll put your insurance information in there as well. And then you'll provide your address, and it's free. It is free, F-R-E-E. This kit is free. What happens is they'll register your kit. Once they register your kit, they will mail you the kit overnight. So I ordered my kit on Saturday, and I got it literally today, which is Monday. I'm gonna show you what the kit looks like inside. So basically, you open the kit, and this is the first thing you see. All the information in regards to you know, how to register your kit, because you have to register the kit once you finalize everything. So what happens is they give you a FedEx envelope, automatic. It's already prepaid. All you have to do is fill out, call FedEx, ask to do a pickup, and they will come by and pick up your product. After that, within the kit, they're gonna also give you how to schedule pickup. So they give you all the information you need in the kit, like literally verbatim, everything you need to know, everything you need to do within the kit, okay? Once you do that, they're also gonna tell you like everything that's included in the kit. So what's included in the kit is a 1 saline collection tube, which is this, which you'll put it in once you swab your nose. Then there is a 1 form swab, which is this. Then the Pixel box in which you'll place everything back in. And also finally, they'll give you the register card, where you're gonna keep this card with all your information on it, so you can definitely check to find out what your results are in regards to the kit. So you'll keep that. So now we're gonna take the kit together because I have to get the ship out tomorrow. So basically what you do is you peel the kit from here, and I've done 1,000 of these. Grab it from the end. There's the tip. And you swab your, if I'm not saying you swab your nose and your mouth, it's just your nose. I think it's just your nose. It says, okay, blah, 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 the tip of your, so it says insert the tip of the foam swab into your nostrils. Take the foam swab out of your nostril and use the same end to swab and redo it around step 7 times. So basically I'm gonna swab my nose. Here we go. Hope I'm not any boogers, right? So boom, here you go. Oh! Oh! Ooh, I hate that feeling, guys. So you take it and you drop it in the stuff. You put the cap back on. You close your bag back up, your box up like this. And then you place it in the bag. Just that simple, you guys. I promise you, like, I have been doing this for months. I gotta take a photo with it, sorry. And you put it in the box. You put it in the bag. And that's it, guys. That's all that you do. And basically you call the FedEx information in. You call the information in through FedEx. And then once you call the information through FedEx, you will, they'll come by and they'll pick it up from wherever you want to pick it up from, or you want to drop it off. And it takes overnight, so it's basically overnight to get it. I think the location is located, I think here in New Jersey, actually. Yep, the place is located here in New Jersey. So basically, they will, the company will basically process it. And once you register all your information online, once you get the kit and you register online, once you register your kit online with this particular card, you're gonna register online. I'm gonna put the link on the notes. But once you register online, then you can track your box as it goes back. Once the lab receives the box, and then they'll give you the results. So I normally get my results within a day. Like they have been like really good, like really good. So I'll ship it out in the morning. They'll get it Wednesday morning, and probably by Wednesday afternoon, I'll have my results. Like they've always been like really efficient in regards to that. So make sure you guys check this out. I'm telling you, it's a great product to use. It's safe, it's easy, it's convenient, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. That's the beauty about this. You can do it from the comfort of your home. And you don't have to go make an appointment and waste the copay. Like, you can do this all from the comfort of your home. So I have been doing this for all of my travels, and I'm a really big fan of it. This is no promotion from them or any sponsorship or anything like that from them, but I really appreciate them coming out with a product like this to help like people who travel a lot like me. And when you just have a very busy schedule and you just need to get a COVID test done, a PCR COVID test done. This is not a rapid, this is a PCR COVID test. And then once you get your results, you print them out, you take them with you to the airport, and you're good to go. So again, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you leave them in the notes below, or please feel free to email me at thevaughnShow@gmail.com as well. So also make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the bell, and I will see you guys on my next video. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys utilize this, but this is a great product to use.